Silver traded in a range throughout this week, and towards the last trading session it has shown a very good bullish breakout and closed the week at 2430 levels. So now what to expect from silver? Is it going to continue with this bullish momentum here, or we can expect a fall here in silver? Which position you should take trading silver next week? See with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates on daily basis. Also, do like, share and comment as well. Let's start first to look into 4-hour charts. We are going to start with the 4-hour charts and move towards the monthly charts, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels and strategy. Watch till the end. Now see, these are the 4-hour charts. What has happened on the 4-hour charts? It was divergent here, it is consolidated, taken the support from the 20 period moving average and now has given a breakout. Also, if you look at the candle size, a strong bullish momentum, a breakout candle after good consolidation, and then this second candle has also traded in a high here and traded it in green. Now, if you see, this was also outside Bollinger Bands and hence a little pressure can be seen here. Prices now again divergent from the moving averages, and the moving averages have started to look upwards. This is a good bullish sign. Now also notice this, the 2360 2380 zone is again going to remain a critical support zone. Stochastic has come to overbought. MACD has just crossed over here and looking forward to a divergent and bullish move. Look at this. This was a strong bullish momentum. Retracement was gradual and again trying to rise here. RSI rising as well. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts for silver. Rise, retracement, rise, consolidation and again the rise. Also, now see this, lower highs, higher lows are seen, and this is the first breakout candle. Now when you say first breakout candle, again after 4 to 5 bearish candles or consolidation candles, we can expect that silver might continue on the upside with a second or third greener candle here as well on the daily charts, which suggests that 2450 and 2480 are the two likely targets which silver would like to achieve here. And see, the moving averages have just crossed over here, started to trade with divergence and bullishness. Now this bullishness is stronger, it can continue to diverge more or trade with a sideways move so that it can wait for the moving average to come up towards 2360-80, retrace towards those levels and then bounce back. Stochastic is rising, MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish, it is also looking upwards here. RSI is rising, good bullish signs here. Coming to the weekly. Now look at the weekly chart. See, moving averages 20 period giving it a very good support. Moving averages are also now started to diverge a bit. You can note this 20 period moving average opening on the upside. Good bullish sign. Second thing is, see, silver has stayed in this bearish zone for a while, and if you just connect the dots, you will find it is almost on the verge of a breakout here. And now beyond 2430, now it is looking forward to 2450-80 zone, which is going to remain a critical resistance zone for silver, because breaking out beyond 25, it is going to be treated as a good bullish breakout, where we can also look forward for 26 and 28, in fact $30 levels as well in the near future, because this is a breakout, and when the breakout continues, it is going to continue with a stronger momentum. Now also, right now what silver is doing is higher lows, higher highs. So it is still staying in this zone, rise, retracement, rise. So it can retrace, and retracing on the downside means $23 levels. 23, 22, 80 is the strongest support zone for silver. Also, if you notice, one bullish candle, second is also a greener candle with the flat top. One observation, that flat top suggests that a bullish closing and the buyers are interested. Next observation here is the diminishing body size compared to the preceding candle. This suggests that the bullishness has certainly diminished a bit. Yes, it was a curtailed or short trading week, but still it has stayed bullish. So a smaller candle, a smaller body size, and the preceding body size was an extremely bigger one, thus this has to be a smaller candle. But what has happened when we have seen such candle formation, generally tries to consolidate. So I will be definitely watchful as the month transitions on the candles here. I will be definitely watchful where it closes this month of November and from where it starts. If you look at the stochastic on the monthly charts, it is very much near to the overbought zone and it is still looking upwards. Look at MACD. Now, MACD has crossed over on the monthly charts. First greener candle is already done. We are going to look forward to a bullish candle only in the month of November. Now, see, on the monthly stochastic, this was a stronger bullish momentum retracement, double top, and it has retraced to the neutral levels. Now, after staying bearish for months, it has crossed over for the first time and it is trying to trade in green. Thus, it is suggestive that it can possibly continue on the upside with little divergence, which means bullishness in silver prices. RSI is also looking upwards here, staying bullish. Now, we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you so that you can trade profitably in the coming week. Also, before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, where you can find the profitable trades and trade profitably, reach out to me via Telegram or email. You can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced, 27th batch is started on 20th of November. Thus, reach out to me for more details on my mentorship batch. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategy. You can also find the details related to the batch on my platform www.forexfunda.com. And this platform has much more enough, be it the economic calendar, be it the live charts from across the globe. This data is available, or be it the availability of the expert, where if you think that you need any consultation or guidance with respect to any of your existing positions or a futuristic position, you can just book a call with me and let's continue the discussion from there. Also, this platform has much more, whether be it the webinars or the vibrant community of traders. You can create your own discussion, you can create your own post, bring your friends and have a discussion, fruitful discussion, and proceed ahead with the informed decision. Thus is the platform forexfunda.com. Let's start now. Where to buy? I will recommend you to buy here at 2440 levels. Expect 2455, 2475. Now, till here it's fine. It is a good resistance zone as long as 2475 is there, and staying beyond this I will look forward to 25, 25, 50 and 26. Remember, when silver goes bullish, it can cover up these distances in a single go and a single candle itself. And beyond this, sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 28 and 30. If not this week, any move beyond 26 is a just clear direction that even if it tries to retrace, every drop is an opportunity to buy. Now let's have a look at the selling levels. And yes, I have one more offering, that is my signals group, where on Telegram you will be added to my signals channel, where trading as per the signals you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details on the signals channel. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now on the downside, one can sell here at 2415, but now 24, which was the resistance earlier, this is the first support. 2380, the strongest support here. Now 2380, very strong support. 2360, the next strong support. If you see silver staying below this zone, you can say that silver has turned bearish, and I will look forward to 2320, 23 as the next milestone. Below 23, sky is the limit. We are on the downside. We are going to look forward to a major cross or crash towards $22 levels, which is the greatest support here. Thus, we have to first be alert, be aware, be cautious at 2360, 2380 zone, and on the upside 2455, 25475 zone. These $1 move is going to remain critical for silver. Any breakout above and below should be an indication that the prices are taking a direction, and we can see a more movement below these levels on the same direction. Thus, take your trades accordingly. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, comment is a great motivation. Do watch the daily updates on silver. That holds equal importance, because on the daily basis, the support, resistance, and then the entry prices do change. So you have to just trade as per the entry price, which I share in the daily analysis. So do watch the analysis. Do join my signals channel or my mentorship batch. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of your trading or trading queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. See you again on the daily reviews on the coming Monday. Do watch the other commodities and indices analysis on the weekly review. Thank you very much.